Hi everyone, my name is Pierre Carbonel and I'm a web designer. I'm also a professor in France. I teach web design, WordPress and Elementor to my students. Today I want to share with you this tutorial which is about shortcuts. In WordPress, what are shortcuts? What are they used to? And especially how can I use shortcuts the easy way? So let's have a look right now. So we just meet now on my website, working website, under an Elementor. So first of all, if I want to use shortcuts, I have to insert a shortcut widget. So the shortcut widget, you can search the name here, the shortcut, is a special widget that enables you to enter in this area a shortcut name. So a shortcut, in fact, is a piece of code that will be executed at runtime when the page is displayed on the user browser, and then this name will call a function which is a piece of instructions in the WordPress environment, usually written in PHP, which is a programming language. And then it will get the result of this function, of this call to this function. So a shortcode can have parameters, like on this sample now, gallery ID is equal to 1, 2, 3, size is equal to medium. So parameters are 1, 2, 3, and medium, which are ID and size. But you can also have shortcodes with no parameters. So let's have a try. I will need now a shortcode to greet the internet, to say them, hi, how are you doing today? So to access this functionality, I will use a brand new shortcode, which will be, so syntax is always the same. It starts with a square bracket, then the name of the shortcut, and parameters if the shortcut has any parameter after that. But in this case, we will stay simple, just using a shortcut with no parameter. So the result will always be the same. I mean, it will always be a static function return, okay, a string. So square bracket, say hello, which will be the name of my shortcut, and then I close the square bracket. Okay, so on screen you'll see, okay, you have just this string displaying. As there is no function at this time, we don't have any other results than the resulting string, which is coming from this parameter. Okay, so now we have to go to the WordPress dashboard here. Okay, I need a way to enter a function. As probably you know, when you want to add additional function in a WordPress dashboard, you have to probably have a child theme, and in this child theme you have to build, you have to enter your function in a functions.php file. Well, it's very hard and it's too complicated for us. So for us, we will simply need a free extension which is called snippets. So you'll see it's activated right here. So simply look for a special snippet, code snippets. It's called code snippets by Code Snippets Pro. Okay, and I just enable this extension, and then you will be able to enter PHP code functions directly into the dashboard. So snippets is activated, so I can click on all snippets, and you see I have several different functions here. Well, like functions, like CSS snippet, like JavaScript, etc. You can do really a lot of things with this very easy to use snippet extension. So in our case, I will add a new snippet, and in this snippet I will call say hello shortcode, which is the title of the snippet, and this is the code part of the snippet. So you will have to enter the code here. So description, you can enter a description, okay, like for example, this shortcode will return hello everyone to the page where it's used. Okay, so it's just for you, because it's very important to have a description. This way you can remember weeks after what is really the aim of the function. So we now want to program this say hello shortcode. So to put a function with this, we just have to go to the WordPress.org website, which is the Bible of WordPress. You have to put a link to this website, because it's very you find everything about WordPress and the WordPress eco world. Okay, so I'm just looking for a WordPress function which is called add_shortcode. Now, this is the PHP function to add a shortcode. So this is this one, add shortcode function. So this is the WordPress developer resources. Okay, so you simply just, this is the template of the function. It's using tag. So the tag in this case is simply the name of your shortcode. So in our case, it's say hello, and then it's waiting for a callback. So what is a callback? A callback is a function connected to this tag. That way, when WordPress will encounter our shortcode, say hello, it will replace the say hello string with the result of the callback function. Okay, so it's very interesting, because every time you have like a lot of information about the functions, but also you have like example how to use the function. Okay, so you see that this is, for example, this is a good template. So add shortcode, this is the tag, foo tag, and this is the callback, wp-docs underscore food tag underscore func. So I'm going to copy this one and use this one to build my shortcode. So I just paste it here in the code part of the snippet. Add shortcode. So this is say underscore hello. Okay. So simply very easy. Say hello. It's the name of the shortcode. And then is waiting for a function. So I'm going to call this function say hello function. Okay, so in this way, so don't remember to add quotes in between. Okay, so okay, now I have the first part done. I have connected the function to a shortcode which is called say hello. Now I have to describe this function. So to make this, simply I'm using a function keyword in PHP keyword, and then which is the say hello function. Up parenthesis, and then I can open curly brackets, and this is the core part of the function. So in our example, it's going to be very easy. So I will just say return hello everyone. Up, and don't forget to add this semicolon at the end of any PHP line. So return hello everyone. So when the shortcode will be applied, it will call this function say hello function. This say hello function will be the core body of the function will be here, and it will, well, we can do a lot of things, but in this case, just return. It will return hello everyone. Okay, so before saving and activating, just remember, copy in your notepad, copy the code you put in, because if you made a mistake, it will revert to the previously good code, so it's going to be a little bit complicated. So just copy, and if you have any problem, you come back and you paste, so you will retrieve the code you are modifying. Okay, so save changes. But it's not enough, because now the snippet is done. Okay, you have this snippet at the very end of my snippet. Say hello shortcode description. This shortcode will return hello to everyone to the page where it's used, but it's disabled at this time. So I can enable it here. Okay, now it's active. If I edit the shortcode, I can also here save the changes, and deactivate it. I can even download the code to a file on my own computer. or export it or delete it. Okay, and this is very important here because you can restrict the shortcut from being processed only on the front end or in the administration area, or just run once. Okay, just once, or everywhere. So I will say, okay, no problem, you can run the snippet everywhere. So I saved the changes, and now we can try. So I just remove the shortcut up. I just reload the page, okay, because I have WordPress to know that I'm gonna add some changes in the shortcut area. And as you can see, we have hello everyone. So the shortcode say hello returns hello everyone. Okay, so it's very, very easy if you stay away from complexity. It's always better. Okay, so I hope that this tutorial was very interesting for you. I always try to stay as simple as I can because I know that simplicity is the target I'm trying to achieve at any time, every time, all the time. If you've liked my tutorial, you feel free to subscribe, as I'm gonna get some more tutorial in English at very frequently. Okay. So thank you very much, and have a good day. See you soon. Bye.